unmarked trucks and uniforms. We work for plumbers, contractors, and cities. Don't settle for less. Subcontract the best. Select Trenchless Pipelines Incorporated, founded in 2002, delivers advanced trenchless sewer and drain repair solutions across Southern California. With 20-plus years of expertise, we provide efficient, durable results using the latest technology, all at competitive prices. Boost your business with high-demand, no-dig trenchless solutions that save time, reduce disruption, and deliver long-lasting results. Increase revenue. Expand your service offerings. Partner with Select Trenchless Pipelines Incorporated, your trenchless solution experts since 2002. Add to your toolbox and offer your customers these additional sewer and drain services, such as hydrojetting, pipe descaling, sewer camera inspection, and sewer gas odor detection. Here are some photos of job sites we have performed on for plumbers, cities, and contractors.